Welcome to the weekly Roundup report from Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Town Lake location. Stephen, what are you working on today?
This one's a Chrysler Pacifica. It had a leaking radiator, so we had to take the front bumper off, a leak condenser to replace it. We're putting it back together now.
Hey Chris, what are you working on today?
We got an oil leak on this 02 Infinity. Due to the style of these valve covers, you can't just change the gasket, you got to replace the entire cover. So we did that, and we're waiting on a couple more gaskets now. We'll put it back together, clean it up, and check for anything else.
John, what are you working on today?
Well, we have a Jaguar F-Type that came in for some noises and some leaks, and we installed 4 new tires, and we're doing a water pump thermostat repair, and also fixing a couple oil leaks that we found while it was in the shop.
Thank you. Wow, Chris, what else are you working on today?
We're still dealing with oil leaks. However, this is quite a bit more intensive. The oil pan gasket was leaking. In order to do that on this vehicle, you have to hang the motor and take away its support, which is the lower subframe. Once you do that, you got access to the oil pan, you replace the gasket, and put it back. That's where we're at.
Thank you. And just a reminder, we do everything here at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire, anything from oil changes to engine replacement, transmission. As you can see, we work on all makes and models, European, electric, domestic, and we also take in extended warranty. So if you have an extended warranty, come see us here at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire.